magnificent French-inspired waterfront estate in Connecticut showcases sweeping water views and stunning interior brimming with classical elements and luxurious finishes. The waterfront property sits on a 1.7-acre lot and features the French Normandy style of architecture, which typically feature a side gable or steeply pitched hip roof. The home has 6 bedrooms, 8 full bathrooms, and 2 partial bathrooms, spread throughout the 3 levels and 9,000 feet of interior space. The entrance features a stark black and white checkered floor with a metal statue. The listing notes that the first level has 2 two-car garages, 2 kitchens, a dining room with chandeliers, and a living room with a fireplace and porches. This thoughtfully 2008 custom-built home boasts impeccable details, high ceilings with walls of windows facing the sound, and fabulous covered porches, ideal for indoor-outdoor living, pool, and terraces. The lower level houses a variety of amenities, including a theater and a gym. While much of the current structure was built in 2008 by local luxury architecture firm Douglas Vanderhorn, part of the original historic home constructed in 1928 was preserved as a 2-bedroom guest cottage. The owners paid $11.75 million for the home in 2008, completely renovated it while expanding it, and put it back on the market for $25 million in April 2022. The home was sold for just $13.25 million in 2025.